back up and do some on the GoPro, cause I can. Put this saw up. Really hope y'all enjoying this fire, cause I'm not. I'm gonna put this saw in the house. Well, I'll just set it right here for right now. This is how it is when you work solo, y'all. You gotta pick and choose what you do. And for me, right now, getting this pile stacked up is important, because once I touch this stuff this last time, then I'm not gonna have to mess with it again. So I'm gonna get a couple wheelbarrows and load them up, throw that stuff on the pile. And then I'll split some more. Maple, cherry, poplar, y'all. That's the secret mix. It ain't no secret. What you got available is what you should use. And like I said, I'm not gonna touch this stuff until maybe the spring if it's dry. If not, next fall it'll be ready. I split some down a little thin because I'll pick through that and put some of that in my bundles that I'm gonna make. Not bundles, but bags. I can do bags or bundles, but it's a progression. You gotta find ways to move your product, y'all. As y'all can see, I don't have no problem producing it. It is a problem when you got like little short pieces of oak that you're trying to get rid of. And I got an idea of how to do it, but if anybody else got some ideas how to move it, y'all let me know in the comments. But I just want to stay busy, stay active, moving. this stuff sit and dry. Get it split and let it sit. Fire burning good. I don't know if a lot of people show the whole process, but I do. I ain't scared. This is how I get my wood. This is how I process it. This is how I do it. Not saying it's the right way, not saying it's the best way, but it's how I do it, and I end up coming out on top most of the time. Boy, you get tired, but you know what the end's gonna be, so you just keep pushing. Like I said, once I do this, I'm not gonna touch it no more until I load it up to the lever.